Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Apple Pay identity verification. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. But before that, let me mention that there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel, and that will be super helpful. So make sure you actually do that. Now let's just dive on to our tutorial. So here, as you can see, currently we have a couple of solutions. So if you have an iPhone, what you're going to be doing is that you are going to be heading over to your iPhone settings, then to general, then software update, and make sure that there is no updates which are pending. Once that is clear, you need to make sure that you're using two-factor authentication, and that could be enabled using settings, Apple ID, your name that is on top, that is basically your Apple ID options. So head over to password and security and then turn on your two-factor authentication. Then you need to be making sure that your region is set correctly for your Apple ID, and as well make sure that your region is set to currently correctly on your iPhone. So that should be an important point as well. Or you can simply restart your phone. So most of the times restarting will fix this issue because this is the first possible solution. And some others are you need driver's license, military ID, or some other type of identification. And yeah, so basically you should also must be using passcode, Touch ID, Face ID on the device. So these are some potential solutions to this particular issue. And again, if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. As well, head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can simply donate to our channel, so it will be a huge support. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.